Welcome to our Balconette online 3D design tool demonstration video. In this video we'll familiarize you with the online 3D design tool user interface. We'll create a simple balustrade for purchase. We'll discuss who the tool is most useful for, its benefits, as it pertains to lead times, design drawings, and the approval process. How does it work? Under Glass Balustrades you'll find the 3D tool link. This link takes you to our intuitive user interface. Here you'll see a 2D and 3D representation of your balustrade design. At the top there are 5 tabs: Models, Options, Sections, Purchase, and Approval. Under Options, choose a pre-designed balustrade layout to start your design. From the drop-down, you can choose your system: the hybrid aerofoil, hybrid orbit, or the SG-12 structural system, the type of glass, and the color of the system. Under the Sections tab, you can easily change the dimensions of your design. You also have the option to increase the different component measurements that are visible on your drawings. Now we can choose one of our purchasing packages. For this demo we'll be using our basic package. Links to our basic and standard package YouTube videos will be listed in the description box below. Who is the basic package for? The basic package was designed with the professional, DIY and competent builder in mind, someone that is comfortable with drawings, as well as surveying and designing things. When choosing the basic package, you'll bypass our in-house design team. This allows you to approve your drawings online, saving time and money. Now your drawings are approved, you can preview your shopping cart and head to checkout. In this demo, we've shown you our balustrade 3D design tool, but we have a multitude of other ways you can order balustrades and Juliet balconies. Let's start with Juliet balconies. Under the Juliet balcony tab, you'll find our 3D design tool, as well as our online fast-track sizes Juliet balcony order and design page. Here you can choose from one of our 11 fast-track sized Juliets, or you can design your own. Fast-track sized Juliets are readily available, as all components used to manufacture them are stored at our Balconette facility. Other ways to order. You're not limited to online ordering. You can order and purchase direct through your account manager. Your account manager can also help you learn and navigate the 3D tools. However you choose to go about purchasing your balustrading product, whether online or through one of our representatives, at checkout your affiliate discount will be added to your invoice. If you have questions at any point, your dedicated account manager is always available for a chat. We trust this video was informative. In our next and final video in this series, we'll discuss our in-house affiliate training program days. To sign up for your free Balconette Trade Affiliate Program account, go to www.balconette.co.uk/join. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your login or create a new account.